It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day and day 5 in Chula Vista. Check out my new shit kickers. Steel toe, Wolverine. Look at my pink laces. I'm pretty excited about these boots. Woo! Okay, I digress. Let's start this thing. We've got so much done today. We lost a couple days to the rain, but we're back with earnest today. We got our Dracaena Draco planted, and we top dressed it with some Baja Red Rubble. We got the front yard planted. Lots of boulder, soil. I've got some really cool specimen plants going on in here. We found another cool piece of driftwood, so we did a little tapestry around the driftwood. Disregard this. I put a rock there, but I didn't like it. My design assistant, Viviana, did a beautiful tapestry over here between the sidewalk and the driveway. Really, really happy with how that turned out. And yeah, we got our path in, our flagstone path. This was Justice's mosaic artistry. We'll be doing a 3/4 inch, mostly black lava rock back here as top dressing. Got the irrigation done. There's so many different ways to do irrigation, and it really depends on so many variables. What we did here is we did loops of drip line around the stands of plants. In the tapestry areas, I know some of you had asked to see how we were going to do that. We decided, because the tapestry area back here is so big, just to go ahead and leave it on, it's on its own zone, so we're just going to leave the spray. We're not going to run drip all through there. Got our party pots all done, Viv and Randy, and we had Hannah here today helping too. She's currently the one behind the camera. So, we got some burgundy lava rock here in this area, and then black edging it. And to soften this up and to make it look a little more au natural, I'm going to bring some 12-inch pieces of Baja Red Burgundy or Baja Red Rubble and stage some more small boulders in here to kind of draw the eye away from the lines. You'll see that next video. All right. I got the tapestry work all done in here, and I got my Kriva in, my beach. I haven't done any of the accoutrements on the beach yet. Greg still has to mess around with lighting and a little irrigation back here. But remember, I'm going to be pulling in some of the clients' seashells and beach pebble and whatnot in this Kriva area. Progress is being made on the outdoor kitchen barbecue area too. So we're kind of working in unison over there. And this area I think is new for you. We still have to sink this wart cough. We're not going to cut it up. We're going to let it be because it's kind of majestic, kind of neat. So I'm going to have it sunk back here to bring some height against this wall. But this was just all leftover plants, and I think this looks really tight. I'm very happy with this. Okay, so next time we will be continuing with lighting and irrigation and top dressing rock and rubbling and accents. So I think your next video is going to be the grand reveal. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity in Chula Vista with Day 5 update and your succulent tip of the day.